crazy weather on the Annapurna Base Camp trek here. Man, oh man. I'm coming back, heading downhill. I came down that valley there. I was at Annapurna Base Camp earlier this morning, which is right up that valley, and then a hard turn to the left. So I've covered a lot of miles today. It was beautiful weather this morning, and then just in the past like hour or two, then it turned into a windstorm. A couple of porters there. It's been threatening to rain, a couple of little drops here and there. I got a pack cover on my pack and a rain jacket ready to go if it starts pouring down. But I'm glad I'm heading down this way at least, rather than up into the valley right now. I had brilliant weather the whole way going up, so pretty wild to get this other side of things. Seems kind of like it's calming down for now, but we'll see what happens. Anyway, just wanted to sort of capture that little storm there. I'm not sure how much further I'm going today. I'm doing pretty good. It was brutal going up. Lots of videos coming from the trek getting up there. But I've got more strength in my legs now, and the downhill is a lot easier, so I'm just blazing it, trying to catch up with my friends John and Phil, who are up ahead somewhere. Hoping to see them sometime today. We'll see. All right, later.